Okay, I thought I'd show you my just plug lighting system that I'm going to use for the trailer park trailers. So I'm going to use a auxiliary switch, the light hub, linker plugs and extension cables and a DC 24 volt wall adapter. So this is going to light up these trailers. So I'll show you how I'm going to do it. Okay, to start things off, my wall adapter, I've got to cut this plug off. So I'm just going to, and then I'll open the wires up, which I'll do off camera, because I didn't buy the proper just plug lighting system wall adapter. So I'll go ahead and cut it and strip it. Okay, I've stripped my wires, my positive and my negative, which I'll show you what I do with that later. Now, because I'm using the auxiliary switch, this control plug has to come out and this one will go in its place. So if we take this one out, and we plug this one back in. Like so. So this switch now, when I have all the lights in, will turn them all on and off. Okay, now to connect my wall adapter to go into this system, I've got to use the linker plug, because the linker plug will have the socket to go into the power, and I've just got to add these wires to the linker plug, which all you do is you push on the switch, put the wire in and let go, and the same with this one, push it in, and that's all we got to do. Now this plug now will go into the power socket, if I can get it in. Like so. Now the next one is I'm going to use my extension cable, which is this long wire. So when I put the caravan in its place on the layout, I'll be able to stretch the wire as long as this wire is, which is pretty long. So this plug will go in this wire like so. And now this wire will go into the light hub, which I've got 4 hubs, so I can actually run 4 items. So I'll use the first one, and in it goes. And these also have dimmer switches too, so you can dim them. So now the caravan or the trailer is all ready to be, well, fingers crossed, all lit up. So I'll just power it up. Okay, now I've connected the power. Now once I flick this auxiliary switch, it should turn the lights on in the trailer like so, and then you can dim them. I'll just turn this other light out, that way you can see it. And you can also see, if you can see that the TV is actually flickering. But if I turn it right down, they all go out. So that's the first one. Now I'm going to add the other 2. Now hopefully they all work. Oh, it was already on. And that's full brightness. Now just a close-up look with the lights. I'll turn them on. And obviously these wires will all be hidden. And the one with the TV flickering. So that's how easy the just plug and lighting system is. But if I didn't have the plugs that come with the trailers, I would have still just wired it up to my own device instead of using the just plug, because it can get expensive using the just plug. Put the lights out. I'll dim it. So these are all on as high as, or as bright as they can go. Just dim. There you go. That's full on bright, and as I'm dimming it, so they're off. Same with the centre one on the wrong one. go. And the TV should come off and back on. And I've still got one more in the light hub, but I don't have any others to connect to it. But I could actually use my spare plugs to actually create another light somewhere on the scene if I wanted to. So now all I've got to do is put it on the layout.